This. Keep them both in the tuck. This.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Ako po si Boy from Baguio City. Yung pong mga kabataan na lumalayo sa mga puro cellphone or pag video games, mas okay po yung mga ganito. Okay po sana magkaroon ng skate park para sa mga bata dyan.
Ako si Seb Hernandez, taga Olonga City. Actually, pangalawa ko na to. Last year ako. Okay naman yung weather, buti na kasama kasi may basketball ako sa school. Throughout, maganda naman yung event. Mas maganda sana next year skate park na. Maganda sa skate park ng San Fernando kasi meron sa palit ganun. Sa San Fernando, wala pa yung sana. Para pag punta kami dito, pag maganda ng skate park, dito na kami mag-skate.
Skateboarding Day dito sa Robinson's Farmers Park. Pero mas maganda to kung meron tayong sariling skate park para mas dumami pa ang mga tao na maiengganyo na mag-skate at sumali sa mga skate events tulad nito.
How long you think it was gonna take before we got here? Now you gotta prove yourself all over again. Come on.
Ain't nobody coming, I've been gunning from
Ako nga po pala si Chester Luis Rodriguez. Nagsimula ako mag-skate nung sinama ako ng tropa at nakabuo na ako ng sariling set. Ayun, nagtuloy-tuloy kasama ang mga skaters sa spot. Simula naingganyo na ako maglaro. Ang masasabi ko lang sa GFC ng San Fernando, Pampanga is masaya at enjoy kasama ang mga iba't ibang skaters na dumalo sa event. Salamat din sa mga sumuporta sa event. Sana magkaroon ng skate park dito sa Pampanga.
Everybody knows body blows to bring their head down. I'm ahead now. Second bread and cut the overhead. I'm more prepared now. Feel like Freddie to your favorite rapper. Yeah, they scared now. Kill them all inside my dreams except they really dead now. Head down.
Yeah, that was cool and all. I need you to go harder than that. Come on.
Ain't nobody coming to find me. You ain't no.
Hello guys, this is Bell TV, isa sa mga content creators dito sa Pampanga. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Robinson Star Mill. Napakasaya nitong event ng band, Go Skateboarding Day.
Crime mode, preteen heart, chafing in your jeans, playing just a tip until you slip.
Meron na live band, so nakalay ng way naging at lang sa bands, no? Kasi sa kanilang event may kahilingan yung mga skateboarder sa Pampanga kung mag-skate magkakalaki ng skate park dito sa San Fernando. So support local. Yes, sana mag-support sila as soon as possible. Yes, best TV lagi na kasama ka.
See, the thing is, they want to put you in a box. They want to tell you who you can be, how you can be, when you need to do it and why. But the truth is, you decide who you're gonna be. Stop waiting for somebody to come fix it for you. I'm gonna tell you right now. Listen.
Ain't nobody coming to do it. It's mostly me and I knew it. I have to bet on myself. I put the house on my music, went into debt for this shit. Sometimes regret what I did, but as a man I'ma make it. Only regret if I quit, only regret if I stop, and I can never be bought. So I ain't checking for labels less I'm controlling the pot. I mean I own all my masters and plus my publishing too. Before I sign on the way, I cut back to 40 and shoot like poof. Now here's the proof, I'm Superman in the booth. The Mike Tyson, the mics, you cannot handle the truth. I'm really a non-couth, and cold as a front tooth. With an ice cream in your face, stay in your place, don't get moved. Like I'm Luda, I do you bad in a second. You can't compare with my methods, my mind's a magnetic weapon. So keep relaxing, I'm coming back with an axe and a sword at your front door, declaring that we at war.